welcome to CAD station. Today we are going to draw some parts. First of all, select parts. Now you can see we are going to draw this part. First of all, we are going to draw the base, which is this one, 3.5. Let's draw. First of all, I am going to draw on top plane. So let's open, and here unit is mentioned as it is drawn on inches. So I'm going to select IPS system, top plane, sketch. Now you can see it shows x and y axis. It is cutting on intersecting at this point, so this is the origin. So first of all, I am going to draw these two circles, one circle, two circle. Okay, now its radius is 1 and dia is 1. So smart dimension, dia is 1, radius 1 means dia 2. Okay, now you can see from center point it is 3.50 and 2. Line command from this point from here to this point, escape, smart dimension, this side is of 3.50 and this side is of 2. Okay, now you can see it is extruded up to 0.5. Now first trim entities, trim this. Okay, now features extruded boss 0.5. okay, now you can see these two sides. It is 1 inches means 1 and 1, 2 inches by 0.5. Select this face, sketch, control 8. I'm going to draw a corner rectangle, a smart dimension, this is 0.5. okay, and this side is of 2. okay, we have to extrude it up to, you can see this is 1.5 and 1 inches is 1 inch is the radius, so 1.5 and 1 2, 2.5. features, extrude up to 2.5. okay, now select this face, sketch, control 8. here is a hole of radius dia 1. sketch, find the midpoint and draw a circle. This circle is of smart dimension, this circle is of 1 inches and it's 1 inch from the top. So from top line to the center is 1 inches. okay, now you can see this is a hole of 1 inch and we have to draw this fillet. So first I'm going to create a hole, extrude cut. okay, and now here is a fillet of this one. Now it's asking face set 1, this is center face set 1 is this one, center face is the top one and this face is this one. And okay, now this side is ready. Now you can simply mirror this side. So mirror, faces to mirrors, check Is there any face? Okay, front face. And features to mirror, select these, select these, and select these. Okay, okay, now you can see it's done. It's up to you. You can give some appearance, edit appearance, and change its color. First of all, exit from here and edit appearance, change its color as you want. So this is finally done.